Singapore police have handed over hundreds of luxury items and gold bars to Deloitte for management and sale, as part of one of the country's biggest money laundering cases. The seized assets include 466 luxury items, such as Patek Philippe and Richard Mille watches, diamond jewelry, and Hermes and Louis Vuitton handbags, along with 58 gold bars, each weighing close to 1 kilogram. These are among the $1.25 billion in non-cash assets taken during a massive anti-money laundering operation on August 15, 2023, when 10 foreigners were arrested and 17 others fled the country. Police said that all remaining non-cash assets, such as cars, properties, art, alcohol, and other valuables, will be progressively handed to Deloitte, which will then prepare proposals to sell them. Proceeds will go into Singapore's Consolidated Fund, the government's main account for public revenue and expenditure. Some assets, including 54 properties, had already been liquidated earlier in 2024. Police also revealed that they spent $2.65 million 2023 and 2024 to maintain and manage the seized items. The 10 foreigners arrested were later convicted of crimes including money laundering, forgery, and resisting arrest. They were jailed for 13 to 17 months, then deported and banned from returning to Singapore. The 27 suspects had been living lavishly, staying in luxury homes and joining elite clubs, until more than 400 police officers raided their properties. When news of the raids spread, 17 suspects fled Singapore, abandoning luxury cars, jewelry, and watches. By December 2024, about $2.79 billion out of the $3 billion linked to the case had already been surrendered to the state. This included $1.54 billion in cash and financial assets, as well as properties, vehicles, club memberships, cryptocurrency, and thousands of bottles of wine and liquor. The scandal also exposed weaknesses in Singapore's financial system. In July 2024, regulators fined 9 financial institutions a total of $27.45 million for failing to properly check the source of customers' wealth and monitor suspicious transactions. Several law firms and property agents were also penalized for lapses linked to property deals involving the suspects. The case has since led to tougher anti-money laundering laws. New bills passed in 2024 require stricter compliance from banks, law firms, property agents, and corporate service providers. An interministerial committee on anti-money laundering was also set up in November 2023 to further strengthen Singapore's defenses against financial crimes.